Okay, so today we're gonna test out this strategy with Ecom with Simo. I came across this video where in the title it says 438,000 in 60 days with AI ads. It's a dropshipping challenge. So yeah, let's watch the video a little bit and try out.
I'm going to show you how to build fashion dropshipping brands that do multiple six figures per month. I'm going to take this brand that we built live on my channel as an example. That brand, we're currently at around $1 million in sales. I'm going to show you the brand and most importantly, how you can make your own images for your listings as well as your own titles and descriptions with AI in less than 5 minutes with this app called Sophia. In this video, I'm not going to sell you anything. My goal is to create a community that's crushing it with e-commerce, and I will show you the process that you can replicate even if you're a complete beginner to get the same type of numbers.
Okay, so he says that he's gonna use some AI tools, one of them called Sophia. I've seen this video before. He's using Copy app as well, an AI tool to duplicate listings online from other stores. So yeah, let's
I'm going to
watch more.
get behind my computer. I'll go over everything. If you like this video and want to see the latest results that we get with these brands, make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's get right into it. So first things first, I want to show you the results on the store. This is a store that we built live on my channel.
Okay, so as we can see, there are pretty good numbers. 3% conversion rate over, yeah, it's 3.3, 22,000 orders, 700,000 pounds in sales. He says that he has made it, but he doesn't say the costs of like the ads and the goods, cost of goods. Anyways, the numbers looks good. So let's see what else.
Shown the whole process, completely transparent. We've done 697,000 pounds in sales, which is equal to around $950,000.
Okay, so in the beginning he says that everything is going good and they are making good money. Okay, the most important is he's.
Okay, so first of all, this is the brand that we built for this challenge that we've.
Okay, so he says that he has built
Okay,
this
so
brand.
first of all, this is the brand.
Oh, here. So this is a website called Olympus London. So as you can see in my tabs, I have made a little bit of research. So I'm gonna try out this strategy. So I went into the website. I wanted to see which team he's using. So let's see. It's called the Denim. So as we can see, like Shopify theme. Oops. Let's see. There you go. Data team name is Denim. And I went in to purchase this team, Shopify. So as you can see, this is the team. I actually bought this team just to try out because I think he has a good strategy. So I'm thinking if this is gonna work, I'm gonna do it in multiple countries. So I bought the commercial license. Actually, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, as you can see, this is the denim team is from Lumin team, and here is the email where it says that I bought this team, the commercial license. Okay, so we got the team, we got the website we're gonna take inspiration from. By the way, I looked up the reviews on Trustpilot for this website. It doesn't look so good, actually, because they are saying that he is not taking care of the refunds and the orders. They want a refund. You can see, for example, they don't get any refunds and they get offered like he's telling them that there is a restocking fee and like he's offering in-store credit instead of giving back the money. it depends what it says in the website, but yes, to get a good results with Google, for example, you need to have good reviews from the customers. You cannot, for example, let's see here, refund policy. You cannot have bad reviews and bad refund policy, and they don't like it in Google. I don't know about Facebook, but in Google it's like that. I'm gonna talk about this in another video, but let's see. Uh, return. Let's see. It doesn't say. Yeah, they have a 30-day return policy. So, which means you have 30 days after receiving your item to request a return. So they should get their money back. Anyways, I can kind of understand Simo because maybe he wants to save up the money. I don't know, or he wants to keep the money and offer them store credit. It's a kind of hassle to send back the products to China where they come from. But I understand, but I don't agree. Huh? So it's a different story. So it's I kind of understand, but I don't agree. It's not a good strategy for long-term branding, you know. Okay, what else does it say in the video?
Brand that we built for this challenge that we've done these numbers for, and you can basically see what it looks like. Once again, it was built from scratch. We've shown the whole process, but in this video, like I said, I want to go over how you can replicate it even if you're a complete beginner, and talk about something that I haven't talked about before, is how to create your own landing pages with your own images, your own text, something that nobody else can replicate and something that's unique. Okay.
Something that's unique. It's not quite 100% unique because people can replicate it when they are using the copy app and Sophia. Um, but okay.
And have the right structure. So first things first that you need to remember, if you're going to follow this strategy and do fashion dropshipping, you should first understand exactly how the whole strategy works and not just be in a rush to apply the first thing that you see in the video, because if you don't understand the full strategy and how it works, it will never work for you. Second thing, you should absolutely not merge this strategy with any other strategy you see online. The strategy step by step is pretty simple to follow, but you should not merge it with anything like this.
Okay, so the first thing he does is he's going to Winning Hunter. If we fast forward everything, he's still
It
showing the
has
website.
everything.
So what he does is he goes to Winning Hunter. I also have Winning Hunter, but I'm gonna do all the steps in the next video. I'm just reviewing in this video. So he goes to the Winning Hunter
It
and
is
finds a jacket.
products. So for products, I'm going to go to Winning Hunter. I'm going to just type jacket as a keyword here. If you want to join Winning Hunter, you'll find the link in the description. Language, I'll put English. This is just an example. And I want to show you how I'll go from a competitor product and automatically with AI and with the help of an app called Sophia, I'll be able to make an original listing with my own branding on it. Okay. And this app is super powerful because on top of just making the listing, it
Okay, so he finds a jacket on Winning Hunter, which is a strategy in itself. Winning Hunter shows how much money a store is making and also how much profit they are making from a specific ad. So I'm gonna show this in the next video. So he's finding a winning product from Winning Hunter. Okay, so this doesn't mean that we need to do it through Winning Hunter. We can, for example, find data from our sales. For example, I found a jacket from my own shop, which I sold a lot from, and it the jacket is not in Winning Hunter. It's there is no ads on it, you know. So okay, so
also makes
he finds a jacket. from Winning Hunter, and then he goes to the
store you have
copy app, right? So he goes to a store that has this jacket, and he pastes the store product URL in copy app, and he's importing the product to his own Shopify store from another store. Okay.
the first product, you click on import product, and it's going to add it automatically to the store. So I'm just, and with the help of an app called Store.
Because on Winning Hunter, when you press shop now, you go to the store that that person has. So you go to the store for that jacket, and he takes the URL and paste it in the copy app.
And then we move directly into Sophia and make our own landing page automatically with AI. So this is the actual listing of what the product looks like on the store. So I'll just go turn on online store, click on save, and then I just click on view, and we'll be able to see what the listing looks like. But then I'm going to change everything with this app called Sophia. Okay, so
here he has the landing page for the product already from copy, and he's gonna make it more beautiful, like more converting with Sophia. Sophia is like Atlas, if you guys know.
Sophia basically put what a new will let Sophia make the content. So what's
You can see they already have a pre-built team in Sophia for clothing.
extensively for our ads? We started using it for our listings with Sophia AI. Before I wasn't using it for my listings because it was just too much time consuming. But right now with this app, it's just too easy and it does everything for you. Okay, so here it's basically generating the landing page, and you
Yeah, so as you can see, Sophia is generating the landing page, and in the end, it looks like this, and he's fixing it a little bit. He's customizing it.
here and there that we can add, but this already I can just click on publish page and it's going to add it to my store. And what's really powerful is it's not going to change my store in any way. Okay, this template that I'm going to get here, I can test it separately by running ads for it. Okay, so you can make multiple variations and test them. So a few things to make this look a little bit better that I'm going to do. So first of all, when it comes to the color here, I'm going to check the color of this top.
Okay, so he's gonna customize the site, the landing page,
I'm
with
also
the colors, and
this
yeah.
case, for example, for this one, I can
This is not so very important, but it's good.
edit this image. Okay, so I'll just go into this one, click on replace, and that's tested.
It's gonna help a little bit with the conversion
That's
rate.
why I recommend it so much. Okay, so write the text done. All I have to do is look at makes it better. Okay,
Okay, so as we can see, he's also creating the product images with Sophia.
and click on generate, and it's going to make a new image and add with a model wearing the product. Okay,
So he's giving
so
it a prompt, and then he's reprompting, like enhancing the description. So the AI gives better description, and he gets this output with this image.
this is the final result that we got from that. We can just click on done editing, look, change the colors, and then you have something that's already perfect, you know. So this is pretty much
Okay, so the landing page looks good. And he said, as we saw in the beginning, they have over 3% conversion rate. And I believe they are selling in London, in UK. So it's a good market. UK is a very good market.
what it looks like. I'm just gonna go to manage sections where I can change some of the sections. I'll add section ends in.
This we will check in the next video. Now I'm just reviewing.
So here I can just go on my store and look at the final result on the store. Okay, this is what it.
So yeah, the landing page looks good. We have the bundle deal, which will increase the average order value, and they have the urgency. If you're gonna sell on Google, you should reconsider this one low in stock, because they don't like the rushy things. Like it can it's kind of scammy, like it's not a scam, but it's like they have more than five left. It's not a true thing to say, because this jacket there are thousands in China. So low in stock, there is no stock. I mean, they're coming directly from China. So Google sometimes when they review your pages, they see it's a drop shipping store and they don't like it. But on Facebook, it's working.
This is what it looks like. In this case, I could have even removed
Not only Facebook, Instagram as well.
this bundle. I can edit it and remove the bundle, and this is the final result. Okay, so that was pretty simple to make, and we could have also made this with our own title. Okay, and you can have the app Sophia AI make your own title here and change it, but in this case I just didn't want to go over it.
Okay, so yeah, the landing page is very good. So what he has done is create a landing page with a copy and then remake it with Sophia, and then he puts himself some last touch on it. So, and yeah, it looks very good. By the way, as you can see, they say 60-day returns here
Here I'll show you
on the website, but in the policy website, policy page, they say 30 days. Google doesn't like that as well. Anyways, but this strategy will be done with Facebook, I believe. I have seen this video before. Yes, it will be.
exactly
Okay, so
what it looks like once I remove the bundles. I think it looks even better, but bundles are good to get a higher average order value. The fine, you can click on the ad rate, the product. If we get a sale, we let it run for a second day. Meta ads, and we usually use a ad on our meta ads manager. So we run meta ads, and we usually use a $30 per day advantage plus campaign budget, and we let the product run for a full 24 hours, and we manage them at 10, 20, and $30 spend. So at $10 spend, if the CPC is over $1 and we have no add to cart, we stop the ad. At $20, we only look at add to cart. So if we have an add to cart on our ad, we keep the ad running, otherwise we stop it. And at $30, we want to see a sale. If we get a sale, we let it run for a second day. If we don't get a sale, we stop the ad.
oh, so at even at $10, when if your CPC is over $1, like cost per click, so if you pay more than $1 per click, you stop the ad. Okay.
At $20, we only look at add to cart. So
if you don't have anyone putting the product in add to cart at $20, then he stops the ad. Or if you don't get any sales at $30, you stop the ad. Okay, so that's the ad strategy. So in the next video, I'm gonna try this full strategy. So keep watching. Don't forget to comment and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Join my community where we share all the information and try them and help each other. Link in the description and in the comment section.